Every software engineer knows this feeling. You hit an error, the build fails, the logs make no sense, and suddenly, 30 minutes disappear, then an hour, sometimes more. And the worst part, most of that time isn't spent fixing the bug. It's spent trying to understand what actually broke. But smart software engineers are debugging differently now, and AI is a big reason why. Most software engineers still debug like this. Search the error, open random forms, read outdated answers, try 3 fixes, break something else, repeat. It's chaotic and mentally exhausting. Smart software engineers do something else. They give AI the exact error, the code, the context, what changed recently, expected behavior, actual behavior. Now AI doesn't just explain the error, it starts thinking like a debugging partner. Possible root causes, likely regressions, dependency issues, edge cases, configuration mistakes, and suddenly, you're not guessing anymore, you're narrowing. But here's the real advantage. AI doesn't just help fix the bug, it helps software engineers ask better questions. What changed? What assumption broke? What dependency failed? What pattern keeps repeating? And that changes how you debug forever, because great debugging isn't just about fixing problems faster, it's about thinking better under pressure. And AI can help software engineers do exactly that. And here's the truth. In software engineering, the engineers who solve problems faster usually become the people everyone depends on. And that kind of trust compounds fast. If you're a software engineer, developer, tech lead, founder, or engineering manager, and you want practical AI systems, not hype, subscribe to AI for Builders. Because the software engineers learning AI today are building the careers everyone else will chase tomorrow.